So we're down here in Beckenham in southeast London. This is our brick restoration project, all completed now, just having a final wash down this morning, getting all the site nice and tidy before our decoration team start all of the decoration work. So what we've done so far on this project is we brick cleaned all of the brickwork back to its natural colour. We brick cleaned the front, the side and the back of the property. The customer just went for a mild brick clean, so nothing too bright on the brickwork, so just a very mild brick clean, keeping in character with the rest of the street. We've repointed all of the brickwork in a penny roll finish. It looks absolutely fantastic, complements the brickwork really well. I'm just going to show you upstairs. We repointed all of the red brickwork in a penny roll style too. But if you just look at the actual detail in all of the pointing, once again a lovely perfect finish, first class as always. Look at the detail, no snags, no holes in the brickwork, everything's completed perfectly. Really complements a mild brick clean very well, having all your brickwork done in this penny roll style. All the different colours in the brick works really well. Let me show you the side and the back of the property too. So we've been working on this project for around about 4 weeks. Really big project, this one. Lads have worked really hard getting this one completed on time. On the side of the property, the mild brick clean as well, all of the way through. We went for a flush finish on the side, a slightly recessed finish. So what we're doing here today, like I say, is having a massive big clear up, putting all the cables back, making sure everything's spotless and clean before our decoration team start. I'm going to be doing some timber work to the window, decorating all of the woodwork. On the back of the property, what we're doing now is we're going to be doing a complete new flat roof for the customer. Customer's got a lot of leaks in this roof. I recently bought a house last year and realised the back of the roof was not in a great condition. All the skylights are leaking, so I'm going to be doing new skylights, new flat roof. What else have we been doing here? So also we're going to be doing some work to the main roof as well. Lots of pointing on the ridge tiles, some loose slates, a bit of lead work, etc. So we'll leave this over to our decoration team next. They're going to be coming in, decorating all of the stonework, all of the woodwork, get all that looking fantastic. And then we've got the roofers coming in to do the roof work. So today we're just going to concentrate on, as always, getting the project left in lovely clean condition. Also done a new plinth on the base of the property. I'll just give you a close-up of that as well. But yeah, this is probably one of my favourite projects. Again, it's come up really well. The new plinth the lads have done, we just got to show you the detail on the plinth as well. So we always, on every project, put a nice new plinth on all around the base of the property. As you can see how sharp we get all of the plinths, the detail and everything. So that'll all be painted. We'll paint the air vents black, decorate all of that stonework back in white. I pretty much think that's everything covered. So yeah, so this project, like I say, has come out really well. Customers are over the moon with how it all looks, and another project finished to the highest standard as always. So if you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, give us a call, get in contact, and we'd be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries you do have. Thank you very much.